lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Welcome back to the channel. So if you want your Nissan Rogue headlights to go from this, which is not at all bright, to this, check this video out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. So what you're gonna do first is pop the hood open. So the bulbs are over here. You have one over here, and the other one is right inside here. So we'll start with this one side. So what you're gonna do is on the back side of the headlight over here. So this is the main headlight, that one inside. So this is the main one, and the running lights are over here, and then you have the other lights like the signal, and there's another one in there for hazards. So on this one, so on this panel over here, so what you do to take it off, what you have to do is underneath it, you just have to press it inside over here. So there's a clip underneath it, so just press it inside so that you can be able to unclip this hook over here. So just press it down until you hear the click noise, and then push it down. Then take this off. After you've done that, twist this counterclockwise. And there you go. So here is the bulb. So this is what we'll be replacing with one of these over here. So you can see there's a difference. So these are LEDs, and these are the regular halogen bulbs. It's exactly the same spec and size. So we'll try and fit it inside, so we see if it's gonna fit perfectly. But with the look of the panel, it looks like it's the perfect fit. So let's insert this one same way. So what we'll do is we go in the same way and then slide it in. So once it's inside, just make sure it fits inside, and then just turn it clockwise. And once it locks inside, it's an easy turn, and then we go back and reinstall this one. So it's easy, just putting it back. You just push it inside until you hear a click sound. You know it's perfectly situated inside. Then now we'll do the running lights. So this one you just have to sneak your hand towards the back over here, and then turn it also counterclockwise. So this is the panel that actually holds it, that one over there. So it's a gray panel, so just have to turn it counterclockwise. and then pull it out. This is the panel, and then just put your finger inside. There it is. So just put your finger inside and do the same thing. Just turn it counterclockwise to take the bulb out. So here is the bulb underneath. So it's being held by a gray panel over here. This is the wiring connector. So this one will just have to pull it out. You can use your finger or a flat screwdriver. So just pull it out. And just push it out. There you go. So here it is. Same drill. Just replace it with the other one over here. So just get the panel. There you go. What you need to do is just slide it in, same way you took it out, until you hear that click, and then put it back inside the same hole. You can feel it, you can see it, but you can feel it. It's a bit of a tight spot. So that's where it goes. So that's where you slide it in. So just put your finger inside and turn it clockwise, and with that you'll be good. So just put it inside and so turn it, check the other side, make sure it's in correctly. There it is. And then take your panel, once you have it inside perfectly, just turn it clockwise, and you'll feel once it starts getting hard, you know it's perfectly situated. So now we'll do the other side and turn them on when it's a bit dark, and so you can see how the new lights are looking.
Spending the night chasing forever for you. Oh no, I'd be your one and only. Don't let me go, don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain, say you won't go running. Let me in through your veins, get off on my loving.
So on the left side of where the battery is, it's a bit tricky because of this panel over here. You can see this side is a bit open, so you can be able to sneak in your hands from either side. But on the left side, because of the battery and because of this panel for the engine air filter, it's a bit, you really have not so much room to work around. So this one bulb, the main headlight, is easy to remove and install back, but the other one is a bit of a challenge. So what you'd have to do is you'd have to sneak in your hands from this side over here just next to the battery all the way, so you can be able to take this panel out. You can see my finger down there. Turn it as I explained before, and then do the same. Probably have to use both your hands to just grab the headlight out, and when you're putting it back inside, just confirm over here. There it is. Just confirm that you've turned it correctly and it's not shaking, so it doesn't it doesn't have any issues. So just keep that in mind, that this left side would be a bit tricky. So when you're walking around it, just try and find the best way your hand can actually go inside, so you avoid taking off any of these panels to be able to change it. So that's it. Let's check them out when it's a bit dark and see the difference between now and how they were before. So yeah, just confirm you did the right thing. Turn it on so you can see it's working. And then you can turn on the full lights so you can be able to confirm the other one is installed perfectly. Yeah, so there it is. The second one over there and the second one on the other side. So we'll just check them out later and compare the difference. So now we have it pretty much set up. Looks nice, bright, nice coverage. Really super nice. Very huge difference compared to the halogen LED lights. We can actually check from the inside just to see how different it looks. There you go, really huge difference. So yeah, the link for the LED bulbs will be in the description. Check it out, and as always, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.